Welcome to Travel on Susie. Today we are in Lansing, Michigan on a day trip, and we are at the R.E. Oldsmobile Transportation Museum. And I am looking forward to this because it's all about cars and gears, and let's go. Come on.
They just can run slow. I mean, the RPMs on this thing are pretty slow, 300 or 400 RPMs, pretty typical. And once it's going, and then you have the main shifter lever on the side of it, and that does everything. It's all in one lever. If you pull backwards, that's your reverse. There's two speeds forward, there's a low and a high. A low is, I call it a low climbing gear. It's very low, and that's your low gear. And then if you want to go from that to what I would say high speed or low gear, you push it all the way forward until it snaps in. And what's happening there is you're kind of brakes at that point, one to one. So whenever that cylinder comes around and it hits, you can feel it. Every time that comes around, it gets apart. It's kind of bouncing and it's just...
Tools, guys, check out. Look at the old drills. Oh my goodness. Sadly, I do remember using these. Check that out. Manual labor at its finest. I've used one of these too. And files. Oh yeah. Need a hammer? Some drill bits. Make your own tools. Drill press. Now all you got to do is push a button instead of working all these gears. Look guys, we get to get in a car. I'm looking forward to this. We'll go find them for sure.
Lansing and then moved to Detroit. The second line of cars that you have to originate was the Rio at the time. That's right. How did that name come to be chosen?
Throughout the years, you can find different information. It's pretty cool, guys.
Transmission and all the mechanical linkages that are built into the car. There's a lot of those, so it's just a constant source of maintenance. Nothing was made with seals back in those days. The seals are metal on metal, and whatever comes out, it gets sprayed all over the engine, and that's just how they work. For the car, you need a battery that's charged. I have a
concept car.
Thank you guys for joining me on this tour. This really wasn't fun to them, and it would be great for adults. Some of the things were fun for kids, I would think, but definitely check this out if you're ever in Lansing, Michigan. And make sure that you click in this end screen over here, because I will have a link to another video about Lansing, Michigan. Safe travels!